You're wanting to try Modere's products, but you're not sure exactly which products you should be trying because let's be honest, they have over like 80 products and you've probably seen Modere's trim floating on social media or all the viral posts with the spoon and you're like, okay, what is this product? Do I really need this product? What I want to talk to you in today's video is my favorite Modere products after 4 years. And I'm not really going to get into trim in great detail because what I have over here is I'm going to link for you the Modere trim video that I've made that really goes into detail. But yes, this is one of my favorite products because I love the collagen, I love the CLA, but it's actually not one of my top 3 products. If I had to guess, this was number 4 for me. And so I don't want to spend a lot of time on it because like I've said, I've made a ton of videos over here. So I'm going to link it right over here for you so that you can check out. Now, with any of the products, what I love is that we have a $10 off coupon for you to try them. So in the description of this video, no matter which products you want to try of our 80 products, you can get a $10 off coupon in the description of this video. But I'm not going to spend so much time on Modere's trim. I'm going to spend time on my top 3, not my top 4. So this is Modere's Axis Trebiotic, and this is actually my favorite product. You can see I almost have used this entire bottle. This is like one of hundreds that I've gone through. But why is it my favorite product? So this is a pre, pro, and postbiotic. It's the only one of its kind. And what it does is it helps with your overall gut health and your microbiome. And all of this new research is out there that talks about how our microbiome is really, really the key to a healthy lifestyle. So I'm going to tell you it helps reinforce the healthy gut function, the immune response, and the overall wellness with a bioactive microbiome matrix, okay? So what does that mean? That means that it helps you with your healthy gut. It's going to help you if you have problems shedding weight, if you have problems with bowel movements, if you have problems or sensitivity to eating certain foods. A lot of times what the new research is finding is that it comes from your microbiome and having a healthy gut. So what I noticed when I started taking this product is I noticed that actually my waist started to shrink. I was able to lose that last stubborn weight that just would not come off because I had a gut problem. What I've also noticed is that it helps with your overall mental clarity because there's actually more serotonin that's made in your stomach than in your brain. And so having a healthy gut is going to help with your overall well-being as well. And some of those anxious feelings that we have, some of those sad feelings, a lot of it can be attributed to the food that we eat in our microbiome. And the more diverse our microbiome is, the healthier we are. And so that's why I absolutely love this product. It is by far my favorite product that Modere has. And again, I've got a $10 off description in the $10 off coupon in the description of this video so you can get your hands on any of these products. Now, my second favorite product is actually the Liquid Biocell. So it is the complement to the Modere's trim because this has just pure collagen, all right? And so what this is when you are taking collagen, you want a collagen that is got a molecular level that is able for your body to absorb. And that's what Modere's collagen is because it is a liquid collagen, your body is actually able to absorb it. Now it also has hyaluronic acid and it has collagen that comes from animal sternal. So it comes from the chicken sternal, which is a very healthy part of the animal to get the collagen. A lot of those powder collagens that you have, they're actually the byproducts of the animal, so they're not really, really great for you, or they might be vegan. And let's be honest, collagen is not a vegan product. You can never get something that's vegan that's collagen if you're actually taking collagen, or it might be a marine collagen, which is also not great. You want to get an animal byproduct. So this comes from the chicken sternal, so it's a very, very particular part of the chicken. It's got a 98 absorption rate compared to some of the powdered collagens that's got 20 to 30% absorption rate. So it's definitely going to help with your hair, your skin, your nails, and your joints. And why do I love this? Because I can tell you that I'm 45 years old and I feel and look the same as I did when I was 35. I get compliments all the time about how young I look and how my skin looks fantastic, and my hair and my nails, and I attribute it all to the collagen that I take. So I take 1 tablespoon of my Modere's Trim in the morning because that's got half a dose of collagen, and I take my Life at night because that's my 2nd dose of collagen. It tastes like apple juice or like a fruit punch. It's fantastic, and it has helped with my hair, my skin, my nails, and my joint discomfort. And I don't have that much joint discomfort at 45. I can also say that it has helped with my mom's joint discomfort, and she's 76 years old. And so I do love the fact that it's a hyaluronic acid, it's a liquid collagen, so our body is able to absorb it, and the molecular level, all of the science behind this really is what makes Modere's product and collagen so different than any other collagen that's out there. And again, if you want to get your hands on it, I've got a $10 off coupon for you in the description of this video so that you can try Modere's collagen. It also comes in different flavors. So it comes in Modere's Life, which is just their overall collagen. It comes in Skin, which has the collagen, but then it's formulated for certain elements that help with your skin, right? And then they have a Sport, which is great because it's got BCAAs. It also has the collagen in it, but then it also has BCAAs. And then it has Pure. And Pure is great because it has 0 sugar or added sugar, although this only has 2 grams of sugar, and I personally like the taste of Life better. So this one is actually my favorite one, but you can get any of them, and they all kind of have the collagen and then added benefits to it. This has reversitol, I'm going to say it wrong, reversitol, and it is amazing for just overall health. So anyways, I probably mispronounced that, let's be honest, but I don't know how to say it, but it's really good for you. And then finally, Modere came out with their new women's hormone line, and I love this product. This is Ova M, and this is for women that are menstruating, and then they have, this is Ova, and this is for women that are menstruating. And then they have Ova M, which is for women that are in perimenopause or menopause. And why I am obsessed with this new product is because it has helped me balance my hormones. It is helping me sleep better. It is helping me have a better mood. And it is helping me lower the duration of my menstrual cycle. So I have gone from 7 days with 3 heavy days to 4 days with only 1 heavy day, and I just have an overall lightness about me throughout the entire month. And what I love about it is that it is patented because it is very different than any other formula out there. And what you can see is there's 3 different phases based on where you are in your cycle. And so our bodies as women, our hormones change and they fluctuate, and we need different aspects of things in our body when we are, through the different phases. So when you're menstruating, you're going to need something different than when you're in the second phase of the follicular phase of your menstrual cycle. And so each of these are very natural. There's no hormones, or it's all natural ingredients like zinc and iron and niacin, magnesium, copper, all of the good stuff that you need in different doses based on when you are in your cycle. And so this one has been a game changer for me. I have heard incredible things. I've seen incredible testimonials about Ova M and what it's done for women in menopause. It's helping with their hot flashes. It's helping with their mood swings, their mental clarity. It's helping with their sleep cycles. It's helping with their night sweats. All of the things that happen when you are in perimenopause or menopause. It has definitely been a huge benefit for so many women. And so those are actually my 3 top favorite products. And like I said before, if you have any inkling to try any of them, we do have a 30-day empty bottle guarantee. So give it a try. In the description of this video, I've got a $10 off coupon for you. I think you're gonna love the products, but if you don't, there's no pressure. We can always return them. And so I just want happy customers. But again, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And then my question of the day for you is, which product would you like to try? Let me know in the description of this video, and have another great day. And I'll see you next week for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.